Hello everyone, welcome to Shanghai Solent Machinery Manufacturing Co Limited. Today I'm going to show you our factory, so let's go with me. Welcome to our showroom. In my left side here you can see the gallery of our customers who have been visited our factory and also participated exhibition from all over the world. And in my right side you can see our international standard certificates including CE, ISO and many more. This is our 15 kilowatt air compressor specially designed for lightweight and heavy industry including mining, railway transportation, shipbuilding and so on. The specialty of this machine is it can be run both as fixed speed and variable speed. This is our 4-in-1 air compressor, or you can call all-in-one air compressor, which is very suitable for the laser cutting machine. Here you can see it includes the air compressor, dryer, air filter and air tank. This compressor helps you to optimize your space in your factory. This is our single-phase air compressor. You can use this compressor small work like in your workshop, garage, inflating tires or powering pneumatic tools. Now let me introduce our another series of very powerful air compressor. This one is dry oil-free air compressor specially designed for medical industry, food and beverage and automobile industry where you need 100% oil-free air supplies. Second, this one is our water-injected oil-free air compressors, also designed for automobile and food and beverage industries. This is our oil-free scroll air compressor, which is also designed for medical industry, pharmaceuticals, food industry, lithium battery and so on. This is our portable series air compressor. It can be diesel air compressor, diesel portable air compressor and also electronic portable air compressor. This series can cover a wide range of power up to 37 kilowatt to 550 kilowatt. Here is the integrated air compressor system. As you can see, we have the air compressor, air tank, air dryer and also line filter. Here is our air dryer production line, which is completely designed and manufactured by Solent. Here you can see our small air compressor production line. We produce a small size of air compressor in this area. This is the area for production and assembly big size air compressor. This is our testing area. Once we finish the assembly, each and every machine will be bring here for a complete test. We want to make sure before we make the shipment, your machine works perfectly and ready to give you a long-term service. This is our warehouse where we bring your product after completed all of the tests and qualified. So we do the packing as you require and we keep your product here before we make the shipment. If you are looking for a reliable and high energy efficient air compressor, Shanghai Solent is your best choice. Feel free to contact me anytime for more detail or request a customized solution. Thank you.